I'm Lana. Welcome to Lana's Lunchbox. Today we have a surprise guest. Olivia? Hello! This is Olivia.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah, she's the queen of potatoes.
Yeah, I'm actually the ruler of potatoes. I've made 2 hit singles and 3 with Lana. So, or like 1 with Lana, but together it's 3.
Yeah.
You know, math.
We'll sing that at the end of the video.
Okay, yeah. You're gonna hear it. It's pretty good. Pretty good, man.
So now should we get our ingredients?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Next, we add 1/2 cup of peanut butter. All natural peanut butter. Four tablespoons of melted coconut oil.
You want to tell them what happened?
I burnt my fingers.
Yeah, she burnt her fingers.
So I'm going to use these pincher thingies.
Yep. I suggest what you
like
did.
Lips.
You look very cute. You look beautiful.
I've made a mixture of melted coconut oil and peanut butter before for sandwiches. It was really good.
Yeah. Yummy sandwiches! Sandwich time. We love
Sandwich time.
It's the best sandwich that we've ever ate. Yeah, it's my sandwich time. It's
your sandwich time.
It's my sandwich time.
Pretty little sandwich time.
Wow, my sandwich so raw. Raw sandwich.
Don't eat the sandwich or it will be scared.
Yeah. It makes you feel like you know sandwich karate. Do you need another banana?
We need 2 bananas.
2 bananas.
2 bananas! We mix into a well.
Mix and tell well.
Yeah.
Tell
And
well.
if you don't have a stand mixer, mash the bananas before you mix it.
Yeah. And then you use a whisk.
I totally got that down first try.
Totally. So she's putting it on setting 4, so that might work, yeah, for you.
Okay, so it says to mix it well combined. So
mix it until it's well combined.
Yeah.
It's a subtle but big difference.
Yeah. So mix it until it's well combined.
Yeah. Make sure it's
and then I don't know what you do next. What do you do next?
I don't know. I just got
Sifting. Oh, wait, no.
I'm not
Add in eggs.
Yes, we add eggs. How many eggs?
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Yeah. And then we mix again until well combined.
Yes. I think it is well combined, Lana. Yeah.
Now we sift 2 cups of oat flour.
Yes, 2.
We need a teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder.
I'm just raising my eyebrow. The next step is to slowly pour in oat milk while you're mixing it.
This thing is a splatter guard, so it doesn't splatter out, and so you can put stuff in while mixing.
You need 1 cup.
One cup, not 2, not a
7,
quarter.
Not 11.
Yeah, not 11. Next, we pour it into a silicone cake pan, but we don't have that, and we don't want to buy it because we don't want to.
Next up, what we gotta do is
1 tablespoon coconut oil to grease the pan.
yes, so it doesn't stick on, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
So I greased it with coconut oil all the way.
you want to get the sides too.
Yeah, get the sides too.
Yeah.
And just pour the batter in.
Looks so good.
Okay, so right now our surprise guest is doing something, but she'll be right back. And meanwhile, we'll put the cake in the oven, hit it a couple times to get the air bubbles out. And then you just put it in, and you do it for 40 minutes. Okay. Then we add the creamy peanut butter.
Am I in this video right now?
Yeah, you are.
Hi, everybody.
This is my mom. But she's our second surprise guest today. And we'll have the puppy taste test tomorrow. Because it's her birthday tomorrow. Happy. It's the second time we used this peanut butter today. But remember, 1/4 of a cup. Now we'll get half a cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Has to be plain. That's the frosting. Just an all-natural peanut butter and yogurt. Then we stir it up till it looks all light and creamy. This doesn't seem like enough, but you'll stir till it has about this, like, kind of look. And if your stuff isn't ready yet, just put it in the fridge. It'll cool, but it won't be like fully gone, you know? So this is my dad's favorite shredder. We will put the link in the description. It works really well, and it works pretty well for kids too, who are just learning to shred. I've never shredded before, but I've seen my dad do it, so I know how this thing works. Whoa! Wait, there's no shredded carrots here? Oh, the timer. That makes sense. Grab a toothpick and test if it's fully cooked. If it is, toothpick should come out clean or with some crumbs. Can't tell, but it's clean. So now we're going to let it cool for 10 minutes, like it says. And then we will put on the shredded carrots and frosting. So now we have the shredded carrots. One thing I do want to point out, we were supposed to add the shredded carrot right before we put it in the cake, but mold thing. But I forgot, so we're just gonna sprinkle them on top of the frosting as a 1/2 cup instead of a 1.5 cup. Okay, it's finally cooled down enough that we can grab it. Frosting time. This will work. So off camera, I finished icing the cake, and now
I did it.
now we sprinkle the carrots. So remember, this is a half of a cup carrots. And then we finished the cake. It wasn't super difficult to make, but then I also had a partner for most of it. And some of it, like the icing part in the oven, were slightly hard. So I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5 for difficulty. And here is the next day when my dog tries the cake. So since this recipe is made for dogs, we're going to have my dog test it out. So we're going to bring her in and give her the cake. And she's going to be taste testing this episode. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lara. Happy birthday to you.
And there. Ready? Yeah, good girl.
Oh, she's going to get another cookie.
It's okay. Don't chase her. Just let her be. It's okay, puppy. You don't need to run.
Scared of the camera. Okay, so that was quite an adventure, but she really liked it. So for dogs tasting, I'd probably give it about a 9 out of 10, but for humans, about a 3. I don't really like it. Guess we gotta go. Bye. You need to use a little bit to help the cake rise. Otherwise, it's just going to be a gooey pile of goo. And that's going to be gross. Disgusting.
The pickle, the pickle, the pickle, the pickle song. The pickle, the pickle, the pickle, the pickle song. The pickle, the pickle, the pickle, the pickle song. The pickle, the pickle, the pickle, the pickle song. We're done.
You did amazing.